Hi, we're here today with Mason, my friend, and we're going to show you how to make a cootie catcher. Is that a cootie catcher there, Mason?
It sure is.
Well, cool. So, set that down and we're going to start with a regular 8x10 sheet of paper, and we're going to fold that piece of paper a long way so that we have it folded in half. So now it's going to be 8x5. And then you're going to take those outer edges and fold them outward. So you have 8x2.5. You want to make all your foldings very precise so your puppet will come out a little funky. Now you want to take each of the corners and fold them inward at about a 45-degree angle. And flip it over and do the other side. And do the same thing with the inside edges. Now fold it outwards.
Okay. Alright.
And now you sort of have a hat-like structure. You can make a mess of party hats if you wanted. But we're going to make a puppet today, so the next thing we're going to do is we need on that long edge to figure out exactly where halfway is. You can take a ruler and do that and make a little tick mark, or you can just fold it in half and make a fine little crease on that one edge. And then you can either tear it or take a pair of scissors and cut up, a quarter or a half an inch on both sides. And then fold those backwards so you're making the lips of your puppet. Bigger lips, bigger cut, and smaller lips, smaller cut. Be careful in your precise folding. Nathan's doing a great job. And now fold it out like we had the hat before. And open it up and you got your puppet. Nice puppet.
Thank you.
You're welcome, but you don't have any eyes. You
Oh.
can't see me. Let's put some eyes on you.
Pink.
Pink eyes. How about some eyelashes? A little nose. Maybe a little blue hair.
Blue hair.
And we have to have a tongue.
Of course we do.
Nice job.
Why, thank you.
Hi, Mason. How are you doing today?
Pretty good. How are you?
Good. I'm fine. It's a pretty nice day. A little bit of snow, but that's okay. Nice puppet you are.
Thank you.
You could even have teeth if you wanted, I suppose, but we won't worry about that. So, we can also do this, and I've made Christmas cards out of making these puppets. We're going to show you how to do that. So first of all, take and unfold your puppet that you just made and get it back to the 8x10 sheet. And flip it over. And you'll be able to see where all the folds are. And you can go onto your printer and set up a Photoshop or a JPEG or something like that with the image of just how you want your puppet to come out. So I've already done this here, You could do this in color. This one's in black and white, but this is going to be my Christmas card this year. Okay, go ahead and fold that up. And you need to fold your lips out. You already had a little crease there already for you, or the marking on there. Just do a little rip there. You don't even need to have scissors. So it's a great little thing to do if you're at a party and things are going slow, particularly if there are kids around. Make some puppets and have a little bit of fun. And open her up. And there's our Christmas puppet. Could be a birthday puppet or something like that, depending on how you did the printouts. What do you think, Mason?
I think I did a pretty good job.
Well, cool. All right, I think we'll be signing off now. See you later.
See ya.